Hi, boys and girls. I want to welcome you to lesson 5-1 on modeling percents today. All right, our essential question for today is how can you use a model to show a percent? Okay, so the first thing we need to talk about is what is a percent? We have been talking about ratios and rates and unit rates and all of that kind of stuff. Well, today we're going to talk about a special kind of ratio called a percent. Now, we know what percents are because when we go to the store, we see 10% off something or 20% off, and et cetera, et cetera. Well, a percent is a ratio or a rate that compares a number to 100. This is really significant. It compares a number to 100. Percent means per 100. The symbol for the percent is the percent sign. I always tell my kids that I teach that it looks like there's a 1 that's sideways with a 0 and a 0 above and below. Kind of gives you an idea of 100%. Okay? 100% means everything. 0% means nothing. So today our goal though is to take a percent and we're going to write that percent as a ratio. And then I'm going to use this box right here as a model. Okay, so let's start first of all with a percent. Let's say that we have 15%. Okay, so what is 15%? Well, if I'm going to make a ratio, I'm going to make it in the form of a fraction. Okay? Now we said that a percent was a number per 100 down here. So I'm going to put a 100 on the bottom. That means there have to be 100 pieces when I have a percent. So when you look at this box right here, you will see that there are 10 rows and there are 10 columns. That means there are 100 pieces. Okay? All right. There are 100 pieces. I can't get that to right. All right. So if I have 15%, then that means that I can color in 10 and then 5 more pieces. Let's see if I can do this here. Okay? When I color in all of these pieces, I have colored in 15%, kind of poorly, but I have it done. That means that 15 pieces over 100 is how I can represent a percent. Okay? Also, I know this isn't in the lesson today, but I want to point out that we've made decimals before. When I have 100 on the bottom, I'm going to have 2 place values out. Okay? Then whatever number is on top of 100, I can put that in the place value chart. So basically, 0.15 or 15 hundredths is the same as 15 over 100. All right, boys and girls. So this is our lesson for today, was to model a percent. Happy math.